welcome to your 2021 preseason construction update for Ocean Delray, the most exclusive offering from U.S. construction and the only oceanfront new construction condominium delivering this year in all of Southeast Florida. As you can see, construction is nearly complete and we're looking for an on-time delivery just in time for season. Come on, I'll show you around. Ocean Delray is an exclusive ultra-luxury building with only 19 private residences. That's comprised of 2 exquisite penthouses, 4 private villas, and 13 residences, all designed by Stofft Architects in partnership with IKASU Design. From an architectural standpoint, Ocean Delray is unmatched with exquisite contemporary design, a breathtaking arrival porte cochère, and beautiful, beautiful contemporary features as you can see behind me, with each residence laid out like a private home. From the site, we're less than 5 minutes from Atlantic Ave, where all of our best restaurants, boutiques, and nightlife offer Delray residents a little something for everyone. On the way down the A1A corridor, we have a beautiful biking and jogging path where you'll find Seagate Country Club and a variety of really beautiful estate homes along the way. We are situated on 200 linear feet of prime oceanfront here at Ocean Delray. Delray Beach is located about halfway between Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale, so easy access to both international airports. Thank you so much for joining me for this 2021 construction update where we had a sneak peek at Ocean Delray. If you have any questions about Ocean Delray, I'm very easy to find on social media, or you can just call or text me. My phone number is 561-500-PINK. I'm Rochelle LeCavalier, bringing you the very best of Boca Raton luxury real estate. Now I'm going for a walk on this beach. See you next time.
I need you more.
Thanks for watching my show. If you like what you saw, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. It would mean a lot to me personally. If there's something specific you'd like to see, leave a note down in the comments for me. I'd be really interested to know what you think. If you'd like to see more, take a look at some of these other videos. See you next time.